Sorry, I just had a very unattractive cough off stream. Off stream? Muted. What am I saying? Honestly, going back to that tweet, I can't believe that happened. I was like in one room, Mama Rat was in another room, Papa Rat was, I don't know where he was, it was somewhere else in the house. And then I coughed, and then Mama Rat just yelled, like, is your dad okay? I'm like, Mom. And then when I said, no, Mom, that was me, you know what she said? She just said, okay. She was like, oh, okay. Okay. I was like, what? Mother, how dare you? She wasn't concerned because it was you. That hurts. Thanks, man. Thanks, man. Thanks.